By this time, let me share the screen and let me quickly go through. So how the system will work. Let's say these are the two courses inside of Canadian immigration as skilled labor, and then skills and workforce integration for immigrants. These are the two courses I will be offering as a prerequisite for every one of the student who will be coming and joining our immigration program. So the courses what you will upload in the system will be appearing in this mode. And one thing I wanted to share, in maximum 2 weeks time, we will be shifting our website from WordPress to Laravel. Over there, it would be more live, more convincing and more appealing, interesting to the audiences. So whatever we have right now, that what we are showing. So any student who are interested, let's say this course, let me show one of my completed course. Let's say this course, probably sometime during the interview, I also showed this. It is very nice and it would be wonderful if you prepare, let's say 3-4 minute video clip introducing your program. This is extremely important for you, so that audiences will immediately understand and they get ready to register your course. Let's say it is an advertisement for you. So for example, this is the introduction that I am just.
Hello, my dear viewers, audiences, students, professionals, educators, and ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, which is appropriate for you. This is Professor Enamul Hussain, the NSRIC Chair in Sustainable Energy Online Education Division at NSRIC, London, Ontario, Canada. Let me take this opportunity to present myself in front of you before giving a brief introduction about the course, the one that I am going to launch today for our online education division at NSRIC online platform. I have about 29 years of academic and industry experience at different organizations around the globe, including the State Oil Chair Professor position at Memorial University in St. John's, Newfoundland, Canada. I have about 10 years of industry experience and published over 200 scientific articles, 10 books, and 11 US patents. I am also serving as a member of the editorial board and chief editors for several journals. I served in different academic and leadership positions at different institutions. I supervised over 100 graduate students who have been awarded master's and PhD degrees, and mentored hundreds of undergraduate students and young professionals. Today, I will be introducing one of my professional courses in the area of drilling engineering, titled Coil Tubing Drilling and Fishing Operations. This is an important and exciting course for audiences and students who are interested to learn about the basics and in-depth of drilling engineering related to coil tubing and fishing jobs while drilling operations are in progress. The course covers almost all aspects of coil tubing drilling, fishing operations, and offers a comprehensive knowledge about this subject. Some of the details are an introduction of coil tubing, advantages, disadvantages, different terminologies, such as coil tubing buckling models, for example.
So what you do, you prepare a 4-minute video clip maximum, which introduce yourself, which introduce the courses, which introduce why the courses is so important for the audiences. Definitely, you will identify the target audiences, and a student will be, getting a full picture of your course, of your program, why they need to register your course. This is, let's say, marketing for yourself. This is one of the requirement. Another requirement, what you see here, while you will upload the course, you need to, say, let's say level, total enrollment or duration, what is the total duration, last update, certificate, and then the course, about the course, that means course description, which you already prepared for your program in different courses, right? So this one should be there. And then area of study, what is the area of study, this one. The classification of courses, it would be definitely immigration, and area of study based on which area you are preparing the course. And then this is another important one, audiences. Who are the audiences for your course? Here you write down the audiences. In addition, the people who are targeting their goal to become an, let's say, express entry immigrant. So those are the audiences you need to fulfill, because we don't want to fool the people. We don't want to misguide the people who wanted to take the course. Exactly what you will be delivering, those should be reflecting in this website before even a student go for the registration, so that upon registration, upon completion of the course, they would not have any doubt that what they were committed by the institution, by the professor, that what exactly they achieved. This is very important for you as an instructor to become a successful professor, I would say, in your domain. And as an institution, your success means our success. So our success is really your success. So we should understand this point very clearly. And then another most important part for your course, you identify the course learning outcome. Out of this course, out of this program, what the student are going to achieve. This is extremely, extremely important. You write it down here. In addition, you tell or you highlight your video clip. If it is too much difficult for you now, you can upload without the video clip, but with time, you please make your plan the way that I am trying to explain it to you. And then course outline is another most important ingredient for your course. We already shared this document to you. If someone is not yet having this document as a Word file, which you need to follow, you need to finalize before you upload the course, so that a student or audiences will have full access on your course outline. And this will dictate give a clear idea to the student what they are going to achieve, what they are going to learn from your course and your program. Second thing is the course material. You see, course material, until unless the student is going to register your program, your course, they do not have the access. You see, for this particular course, you see, these are locked. These are locked. So until unless students are going to register your course, whether it is synchronous or asynchronous course, they do not have the access in this course material. And that is what it is hidden from the audiences and the student. Apart from this core material, other information, as I showed, those are available for the students. And this is how the system works. When you upload a course, it will appear here. In addition, it will be also showing as a bundle. You see, Canadian Immigration Training Program, you see, here it will be showing. For example, ICT, here one of our instructors, Shivam, he is going to teach this course. So this is where a student will come and look at under different knock number. You see, those are the courses he is going to cover under this program, user support technician. So you as an instructor, we wanted to empower yourself, not us, because we wanted to establish you as a successful professor in the academic domain. And this is how you will establish yourself. And you take lead on your domain, on your portfolio. Nobody will be, dictating you. And this is our strategy, by the way. That is the reason I was telling you guys that you prepare your program and become the leader for your program. Now you can question, under one occupation, several, instructor can teach the several, courses. Let's say under this foundation level, an instructor has a course, let's say introduction to computer hardware and software, and maybe same course he or she will be providing. We believe that this will not impact anything, because at the end of the day, you are the person taking care of those batches of student, and they will be learning from you. So this is our strategy. Now slowly, we will definitely make the group of the people, instructor who are expert, who are successful in the platform, and we will deliver them a full-time opportunity. We will offer them different, strategically important role, and so that they can even engage themselves more and more with our institution. So with that, I am stopping here.